Hello. I did.
We're gonna go to SM Appliances because titingin sila ng TV. Bibili ata ng bago. So, ayun, let's go!
Ito kasi yung type ng panel.
Mas kailangan din po ng palit niya.
Etiket niya na.
Tapos ko na sa sales unit.
Sige.
Malagay lang dito September. So, ano po?
Hi everyone. So I am currently at my sister's bedroom kasi wala akong proper na desk. So I had to ask her back now if it's okay. I got a new laptop, a gaming laptop to be exact. For me, for my interior design things. Kasi nagamit ako ng SketchUp, Enscape, Revit, yun yung ano namin na gagawan ngayon. And stuff like that. AutoCAD also. So ayun, this is the freebie na backpack or like sling bag pala. From HP since I got HP Victus. And to be honest, nasa option ko din talaga siya. And buti na lang, merong stock nito. Kaya, okay, sige, bili na lang. Bili na tayo. And also, nagmamadali din kasi kami sa bahay. Ay, nagmamadali kami sa mall kasi may paparating na delivery na TV here sa bahay. Kaya, ayun. So, oh my god. Currently, ang ginagamit ko is yung Mac. So, syempre, knowing Mac, marami na talaga siyang parang hindi kayang i-accommodate na apps for like heavy workload. Kaya, sabi ko, Mother, I need laptop. And eventually they said yes. Okay, sige, tingin ka. And here we are now. We got Victus, HP Victus. Ito, papakita ko na yung specs here. So, yan. And actually, I'm really not into like, I really don't know the specs and everything. I just searched it up. Kaya, okay, nakuha ko yung ganito, ganyan. And actually, that's it. I really don't know what to do with like unboxing the laptops or like gadgets. So, ayan. Hi guys, it's Monday and we're currently in CAD class, yung computer Revit. And now we're going to take our lunch and ayun, pupunta kaming ewan ko, basta sa labas and then babalik kami to continue our play. And we are on our way back to our classroom to eat lunch. Medyo natagalan kasi madami yung order earlier, so yeah. Tapos later, I brought the iPad para for ano yun? For debate. Kasi may debate kami about pro interior designers and pro interior decorators and anti-interior decorators. So, nasama ko pa ba ito? Hi guys, update. We are now going to cut out papers to make an interior space.
Yeah.
That's it. Here's mine so far. Here's mine so far. Here's Mary's, Kara's, and the others. Medyo naghahabol na kami ng oras kaya parang hindi namin siya natapos yung cutout. So, tinake home na lang namin siya. And here's my cutout so far. And after that, ayun, punta na kami sa debate class, like impro class. And then, ayun, I'm just gonna continue this sa Hogdo para slay siya. And mapasa ko na agad. Kabado! You were given 6 questions. And of course, you have to answer them. But the catch is, hindi namin alam kung sino yung mag-debate or like mag-uusap. So, you don't entirely, and we are not entirely sure who will talk, who will share to the class. So, stay tuned.
Stay tuned guys, la-live namin to.
Ethical considerations in licensing. How does the professional regulation, licensing, and ethics play into the roles of interior?
Ang clients ay protected sa amin. Especially scope the designer are of the best interest of the
I'm done with the class and right now I am here sa Lasal kasi kakain kami sa Elbo ko. Hindi ko na na-video yung other parts ng debate but it was so fun and napili ako dun sa pinaka-last na question. So, it was extra fun. So, yeah. I'll see if meron ako makuhang clips from my other classmates. If meron, I'll put it in here. Bilis ng transition, di ba? So, nakakain ako and magagawa na ako ng plate. So, ayun. Ito i-video ko na talaga kasi it will take some time. Kaya, yeah.
Ay, inuyo mo ba to?
Yeah, it's not mine.
Because it's familiar. We saw this earlier.
Yes. What did you eat for dinner?
Okay, tonkatsu.
How about you, John? What did you eat for dinner? Ooh, yummy, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, ito, I got this from IKEA. It was so good. The magazine was so good.
Tuloy ko sa tiyan.
Here is the final output. It's giving modern but intricate, romantic type of shit. Nag-rhyme yun. But anyway, that's it. And I'm also watching a movie. Oh. My best friend's wedding, I think. Date! Okay, Queen. I'm gonna go back na sa condo para slay. And I have to sleep since I have 8 a.m. class later since it's 12. So, ayun. We are here. Comlab. Phoebe. She will finish something. She's finishing Revit.
How about your partner? Where is he?
Readings. This is for our ethics class. Kailangan daw siyang basahin. We're gonna eat our early lunch. This is what I got. We got this, and that's what Bar got. Chicken teriyaki. This is pork chop steak, and hindi ko alam yan. Natumingin siya sa iba, di ba? Okay, binackstab sa video. Gastos mo, te?
Sabi ko, 1-2 lang yung budget ko. May 2,000. Ibang 2 pala yun, 2,000.
Yes. Yung gumastos na naman. Dalawa ang gumastos sa amin ngayon talaga. Ang binili niya frother naman. We are now on our way home. And papahinga ako saglit sa condo. Then I will sleep. And that's it. Good morning! We ordered McDonald's for brunch. Nandito si AR, so yeah. I think it's 10 something. Mag-11 na. Pero ayan. We're gonna eat and eat. And naalis kami mamaya. We will go to Rampa later to watch yung latest episode of Drag Race. On the way. Alam mo, it's a green. Saan tayo pupunta? Sa green. Hindi ko na papahula. Hindi mo tatanong, saan tayo pupunta ngayon? Right here.
Not so hate, okay? So, bury me, bury you, there.
It's currently 7 something. And I'm on my way to my class. Tapos, ayun. Parang kunti lang yung tulog ko, pero it was so worth it. Second class is done. Now we're gonna go to ethics, to the library para tumambay muna into some place. We are currently we are currently calculating this room. Yung kung ilan ilalagay namin na fixture dapat, like lighting fixture. Let's see how it goes. Paano? Good morning. It is Friday. And no Thursday na last class, I haven't videoed like enough. Kasi parang madami kami ginagawa nun. Super overwhelming ng nangyayari. Dan kasing tao sa class. So like, work dapat, work ganyan. Parang lahat kami naka-locked in. And then, I just want to mention lang din na there was this parang, let's say, competition na sinalihan yung class namin. And our work, me and Carl's work, mine and Carl's work, got chosen sa pupunta sa BGC to meet yung mga kataas-taasan ng company na yun. So like, oh my God, very thankful. And I don't know, parang nung time na yun, you were very emotional. Kasi, ayun, sabi nga ni Carl, parang kinakabahan daw siya and kaya hindi niya masyado binanggit sa akin nung day na yun, which is kahapon. Pero ayun, super thankful and yeah, good luck to us kapag punta na kami doon. And then, today naman, pupunta ako ng campus to do plates again. Kasi may pasang kami for tomorrow. Kaya, ayun. Kasama ko naman si Phoebe and si Mir. Kasi yun yung ka-group ko naman for this plate. Kaya, stay tuned. Ay, hindi pala. We are here sa generator and we are currently doing our plates. We just had our lunch. And I'm currently watching Marina's vlog. So good. I like the aesthetics of her vlog. But anyway, I'm gonna start on doing my plates, our plates again. So, yeah. Here's Mir, our group mates, my group mates, Mir and Kiwi. Just eat our lunch, Jollibee. Our favorite, Kiwi and I's favorite, Jollibee. Ito yung na-watch ko. Tapos, ayun, start na ulit ako para marami akong magawa for this day. And yeah. We are done for today, I think.
Yes, no think.
Don't think. Ayun, bigla akong uuwi pala. Kakasabi na sa akin, umuwi ka.
Made from
Kaya ayun, I'm gonna go home. And
with 0.80
yeah.
NRC.
medyo mahaba-haba ang biyahe. Kaya
CRC.
I need to go now before if the sun refuses to shine.